Hey posers!
Welcome back to our channel.
I'm Juan, this is Lana, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to create your very own comp cards.
In case if you already have professional modeling photos, you are of course welcome to use those for your comp cards, and in case if you do not to worry, you can use your digitals.
And if you don't know what digitals are or how to get them, check out video number 3 or 6 and it'll help you out. Speaking of comp cards, I'm going to teach you how the way I do it, and it's literally pretty simple and it's going to be done on Canva today.
And actually this is the kind of secret that he's sharing with you all that he's been charging people money for. People have been paying him to do this for them in Canva, and now he's going to be sharing all his secrets. So if you found this helpful, please like, follow, subscribe, and support us so we can share more helpful tips with you.
And not only can you do it on Canva, you can literally do it on any platform you want, but I usually would use Canva, so that is exactly what we're using today.
If I didn't know what Canva is, I would probably use Microsoft Word.
That works. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know we already said that in the intro, but today I'm going to show you how to make your comp card on canva.com. So first thing you have to do is go to canva.com. I believe you can do this on your phone as well, but I find it easier to do it on the computer. Okay, so if you don't want to pay for Canva, and you can get it free, you can get a pro or more, but if you don't want to pay for it, you can just click here on get Canva free, and then you just use an email to log into it. And they'll be free until the only difference between the free one and the paid one is you don't get to use all the designs they have, but for that it doesn't really matter right now. You won't need to pay for anything. So let's log in with the free account. All right guys, so as soon as you log in, you'll see this page here. You can either create a design up here in the right hand corner, or you can click here, what will you design today? And since we'll want to do model comp cards, you can type in model comp card, and you have a whole bunch of options, guys. So for the model comp cards, I usually recommend this one or this one here, just because it's simple and straight to the point and it doesn't have any extra things to worry about. So you'll just click on that comp card and you'll customize this template. All right, when you customize the template, you can see here, this is going to be a front. This is the front of the card, and this is going to be the back of the card here, guys. So you're going to put your picture here and put your name here and 4 modeling pictures here. Usually you want it to kind of like match, so you want to use matching pictures. That's best. And then you put your height, your bust, your waist, your hips, shoe size, hair, eye color. If you're with an agency, down here, or with if you have a website over here, or you want to put your phone number here, or I usually don't put my phone number. I usually put my my social medias, so it makes it pretty simple. So in order to replace that, you just have to upload some pictures of yourself, and you just click up here on the left hand corner. You'll click uploads. So I already have some pre-uploaded pictures, but if you want to upload your own, you just click on upload file. So once you click on the upload file, you can look for the pictures you want to use and whatever folder you have in your computer, and just click on whatever you want to use. Digitals, you want to use model pictures. If you have nothing starting off, you can definitely use your digitals for to upload, and then it'll upload here. And then all you literally have to do, guys, is click on the picture that's already there and then delete it. Delete image, and I already have a snap on there for you, so you can just drag and drop it, guys. You can resize it if you want by double clicking or hit edit image. You can resize it. So I want to make my face a little bit bigger to just fill in the space. So bam, you hit done, boom, there. All you see is my face now. And then you change your name here to if you have a stage name, or if you want to put your real name, it doesn't matter. Bam, right there. And then here you'll just same thing you did earlier. Delete image, delete image, delete image, delete image, delete image, and then you can just replace it with whatever photos you want. You'll just drag it and drop it, and then drag and drop it, drag and drop it, and drag and drop it, and it just clicks on there. And then if you want to resize this, again guys, go to edit pictures, edit images, and on top here, on the top right here, you get options. I don't recommend, hopefully you already have it edited out, but if you want to edit it a little bit, you can crop it here a little bit to make it bigger or smaller, whatever you need to do, right? So I'm gonna keep it here like that, keep it right there. These look fine to me. You can make them smaller or larger, up to you, but you can mess with that however you want. So edit image, crop, and then do whatever you want to. Rotate it. You usually don't want to rotate it, but you can rotate it. You can make it smaller. It's harder for longer images on Canva for some reason, but you can try to make it as small as possible, and bam, there you go. Right? Bam. Then you'll change this to whatever you do. So your name here, Ramos, and then model / actor. If you're an actor, you can add that in there, or whatever you want, but you can just put model, and then just put just change this. Super easy guys. Double click it and change it to whatever height you are, 6'5", and then bust 42, waist 32, hips 36, whatever it is, and then shoe size 10, 12, whatever shoe size you are. Your hair brown, blue eyes, and that's pretty much it guys. And over here, if you have a talent agency, you can honestly just put your talent agency, or if you don't have a talent agency, you could put freelance model, up to you. And then up here, if you have a website, you can put that on there, but if you don't want to put your phone number, you can put socials. And then usually I just put my IG at JStar on the rise, and that's it guys. You created your first comp card, and that's if you want to use your digital. Of course, you can replace these pictures with your modeling pictures if you have some modeling pictures. So click it, trash that. If you have a modeling picture, you can replace that right there. And then remember, edit image, crop if you want to move it around, anything like that. Bam. Look how sexy is that. I'm real sexy in mine. And then you can replace this if you don't like it later. Delete image, delete image, delete image, right there. Delete image. If you don't want these, you want to change them out later on, you can always change those. You can change that, you can change this, you can change that. So guys, it's so easy to edit on Canva. Anybody can do it. It's so simple, so easy. And then once you're done editing everything guys, adding your sizes and everything, and freelance model, your socials, all that, you're ready to print. I usually take this to Office Depot to go print, because they print front and back. So you want this to be the front guys, and you want this to be the back, and you don't want your comp card to be just like a regular sheet of paper that's all flimsy and stuff. You kind of want a better quality piece of paper, a little thicker, so when you hand it to the judges or whoever you're handing it to the agency, to the people that are doing the casting call, you hand it to them, it feels nice and thick, and it just feels nicer, and it feels like a better quality. So when you're done with that, all you have to do is honestly just download it. So you usually want it half a page. When your quality, you can put it 100. Size, the size doesn't really matter, because at Office Depot or wherever, they can adjust it for you. So like we've talked about it in a different video, when you print this out, you want it to be half a page. So you're literally gonna put the page horizontally, and it's literally gonna just cut in half. That's gonna be your comp card. So it's gonna be like this half of the page, and then you can have two comp cards, front and back, bam, letter size. So you'll print it out, download it, and that's it guys, and you're done. That's your comp card. I'll give you 2 pages, so you'll have a front and back. And easy as that, guys. That's how you make your comp card. Nothing difficult, nothing hard, straight to the point. Here's the front, here's the back. So yeah guys, so when you take it to Office Depot, you're gonna use half the page. So just let them know that you want it front and back, and you'll get 2 comp cards. So they'll use this half and they'll rotate the picture for you, and you'll have front and back, and then you'll use the other half front and back. You'll have 2 comp cards with 1 sheet. So you do want it to be half a page, like I said again. So you do want it to be half a page, guys. That's the correct size of a comp card, and you'll turn that into whatever agency, if you're ever going to a casting call, or the casting call judges whenever you're going to model for any runway or anything like that. So you definitely want a comp card, guys, and that's as simple as that to make it, guys. It's nothing difficult, it's nothing hard. You can literally do it at home. The only thing you'll need is to print it out. And yeah, that's how you make a comp card, guys. I hope this helped you out, and I appreciate your time, and I hope you subscribe.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. We really hope you found this video helpful, and please leave a comment in the comment section and say thank you, Juan, for sharing your secret with us.
Yeah guys, thank you so much for being here, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so when our next video pops out, you can watch it. And don't forget to check out the videos here at the end and in the top left corner. Right, you're right, my left, maybe one of the two.
And if you have not yet seen our previous videos, please make sure to do so, because there is a lot of helpful information that will bring you up to the point of a comp card.
Yes.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.